Hello friends, in this lesson we are going to have a look at Facebook Pixel. Facebook Pixel is one of the most important concepts in Facebook advertising. Facebook Pixel was introduced in 2017. So first, let's have an overview on what the Facebook Pixel is, and if you are going to be a Facebook advertiser, so do not ignore the Facebook Pixel even though it might look complex. Just go ahead and create Facebook Pixel and deploy it on your website so that it starts collecting data. So right now we will just have an overview of the Facebook Pixel. And in the next video, I will also show you how to create the Facebook Pixel and install it on your website. So when you look at what is the Facebook Pixel, it is basically a JavaScript code that you place on the website and Facebook is going to collect data from it. So this is just like Google Analytics code which you create once and put it on all the pages of your website so that Google can collect data. Here Facebook is going to collect data from the code that you place on the website. With Facebook Pixel, you can do multiple tracking functions. Earlier, Facebook had separate conversion tracking codes and retargeting codes. Now it's just a single code, the pixel. You can also get deeper audience insight using the Facebook Pixel, which we will look at in the future videos. So first, to understand how the Facebook Pixel works, I need to talk about how conversion tracking code works. So conversion tracking is basically a performance marketing tactic to find out which of the clicks are actually converting into sales. Let's say you are driving 200 clicks to your website and 100 clicks are coming from Facebook and 100 clicks are coming from Google. You want to know which of these 100 clicks are actually high quality clicks and which of these 100 clicks are actually going to take an action on your website. If someone is going to come to your website and just leave without taking any action, then the traffic is not worth it. Even if you are getting free traffic, if you are just letting 100 visitor visit your website and not take any action, and this visitor might not take any action because what they find is not relevant to what they are looking for, then the conversion is not going to happen. So basically this conversion could be a sale, this conversion could be a lead, this conversion could be a particular action that the user is taking on the website. So let's say when you are advertising on Facebook, you put a conversion tracking code and you basically place this JavaScript code on thank you page, which comes after purchase or after the lead generation inside your website. So once the page loads, then Facebook is also able to load this JavaScript code on the thank you page because Facebook knows that this particular user has gone all the way up to thank you page, that it can be recorded as a conversion. So let's say 100 clicks comes to your website and out of those 100 clicks, some 20 clicks converted into actual purchase or into leads. So this data will be passed back to advertiser website, which in case it is Facebook, and Facebook will show us that 20 people have converted from the campaign that you have created. So now if you are looking at Facebook Pixel, which is little bit different from conversion tracking, what you are basically doing is that you are putting the Facebook Pixel on all the pages of your site. So this slide you can see that I have placed a JavaScript code on both website and thank you page. But you can basically put the JavaScript code on all the pages of your site, including let's say media page, including the blog, including the contact us page, everything. And then once you have installed the Facebook Pixel, later you can log in into Facebook and create different rules based on which page people have visited. So basically all the data about all the visitors is going to be reported back to Facebook. So that is the beauty of Facebook Pixel. You don't even need to go ahead and create conversion tracking code and place it separately. Just put the Facebook Pixel on all the pages of your website and Facebook will start collecting data, and then you can later go ahead and create different type of audiences, different type of conversion, and all the audiences data would have already been collected. So the longer that you build this data, the more effective ads that you can run. So as soon as you finish watching this video, your exercise is going to be go ahead and create the Facebook Pixel and deploy it on all the pages of your website. So what can you do with the Facebook Pixel? You can create something called custom conversion. So if you are running a conversion optimized campaign, then custom conversion are going to be simply helpful. I'll be creating tutorials and video, and I will be also creating conversion optimized campaign and show you how custom conversion works in the future videos. You can create custom audience based on the website visitors for retargeting, and you can do multiple rules with this. You can create a lookalike audiences based on your website visitor. You can get audience insight based on your website traffic, and you can optimize your ads for conversion. So if you do not understand very clearly any of these concepts, nothing to worry. Just keep this in mind and take some notes. So there is also something called Facebook Pixel Standard Event. And there are many standard events as defined on what you want to track using the pixel. So let's just have a quick overview of the standard event that Facebook already defined. So we have purchase. Someone completes a purchase on your website. You have a lead. Someone signs up for a trial or otherwise identifies themselves as a lead on your site. Complete registration, add payment info, add to cart. So all these are standard event, and if you just search for Facebook Pixel standard events, you will be able to find this. This is just for a little bit of clarity on the different kinds of event that happens on your website. And once this event happen on your site, you will be able to see inside your Facebook Analytics account on what is the number of event for each of this particular event. Few more events you have, that is that are initiate checkout, you have search, you have view content, you have contact, you have customized product, you have donate. Then you have find location, schedule, start trial, submit application, subscribe. So these are the standard events that Facebook has defined, but you can also go ahead and create custom events. So standard events and custom events, that is also something we will discuss in future videos. But I just wanted you to learn about the standard events that are there. So you can get an idea about the different possibilities that we can do in the future. So right now, if these events do not make too much sense to you, nothing to worry. Standard events and custom events are a bit of advanced tactics. But for now, I hope you have a basic idea about what are the different standard events that we have. So in the next video, I will show you how to create Facebook Pixel and install it on your website.